Hey guys, today we're going to be talking a little about Cloudflare and how to integrate it with DigitalOcean. I'm actually using a WordPress site for my personal blog, and I'm going to put it behind Cloudflare. Not that I plan on getting DDoS, which I guess could happen, but mainly just for HTTPS purposes. Just for the simple fact I don't feel like setting up a bunch of certificates on my DigitalOcean server for this blog server. So what is Cloudflare? Cloudflare is a company that provides a CDN and distributed DNS services, which acts like a reverse proxy for certain sites. It's a free service. You can pay and upgrade, or you can just use a free service. Mainly, it's under people use it for DDoS attacks, so they can avoid getting DDoSed, which it has a mode that enables it. It also has a caching too. That way, if your site does go down, it has a certain cache for however long you register it. Anyway, so today we're just going to be doing setting up a Cloudflare account with a DigitalOcean account on a WordPress server that we have spun up. So my site is CyberPanda. So this takes a little bit. It gives you a quick video, which I'm not going to listen to, but I'm going to just speed this up a little bit. All right, so now that it's over, we can hit continue here. Some prerequisites that you need are you make sure you have a web server, a domain that points to your web server, and you have access to the control panel that the domain is registered at. So right here you see my DNS records for my site. So what I'm going to do right now is just hit continue. It is for a business site, but not really. So we'll do free site, continue. And then from there, we're going to see all of these name servers that I currently have, because I have a NameCheap domain that's on DigitalOcean. So it wants me to change these name servers from DigitalOcean to Cloudflare. So I'm just going to copy them and paste them in my NameCheap right quick. Oh, and it wants me to remove this one altogether, so it's just two name servers. So I'll remove this one, and we'll just go like this. Let it update on NameCheap, and hit continue, and pending. So that's pretty much it. Once those are changed, it might take up to 24 hours, like it says, for the DNS to be updated, which is typical. And then after that, you'll see your site will have HTTPS, and it'll be all through Cloudflare. So you can keep checking. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Sometimes it's instant. It really just all depends. So we'll come back whenever it's all set up and complete the rest of this tutorial.